Indragiri Hulu, part of Riau Province, is a warehouse of amazing tourist attractions. Nature tourism of the Sisirih River. Do you know that the Sisirih River is located in 42.27 kilometers from the city center to Batang Gansal South District? Having a beautiful view can be open to pass the time on the weekend. Nature tourism of the Sisirih River, providing a place to make memories, serving Malay food, diving to catch shrimp, river tubing, and swim while breathing fresh air. Here also provides photo spots that are certainly Instagrammable. Don't worry, your safety is their top priority. Are you interested in visiting this place? Nature tourism of the Sisirih River, Indragiri Hulu Asset, in the middle of sustainable forests.